Hey guys, and welcome back to Redmond Kids. This is the Michigan edition. We are home for the holidays, and so I had my Young Living order sent here, and I thought I'd go ahead and do a bit of unboxing with you. While everyone else, we already opened our presents, so they're all playing upstairs. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so you know I am visiting and we are flying around. So I got the Ninja Red. Hopefully I can share some good drinks with everybody. This is the 2-pack and I just got a few, well, there goes the surprise. That's the nutmeg oil tube. And so I think that I ordered some oils that we can use in our drink. Yeah, so I got some lemon oil, which is super yummy in there. Ooh, sleepy eyes, which I might give to my sister-in-law because her little boy needs some sleep. Lime, I love lime in this. And orange, yay. And then, let's see, super close. Okay, and the next one we have is the nutmeg. Now I think the nutmeg was free. I don't know why it's all wrapped up like this, so I really want to smell it. I'm quite anxious to get in here and see what's going on. So it's in a nice big tube, all on its own. I bet it's gonna smell divine. What do you think? Unwrap it. I wonder why they took so much care for that. It's interesting, you never know. There it is, nutmeg. Oh, this is Vitality. White label, so that means that we can drink it. So that's it guys. So I got just really wanted to have like a Ninja Red bar for the family, and that's what we're doing. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas if that's what you celebrate, whatever you celebrate, happy day to you. Peace and thanks for watching. Bye.